Today we're going to walk through the kit, the Roma. Si vous voulez regarder cette vidéo en français, vous pouvez regarder là. If this is your first time seeing a Simple Vans video, you can watch this video here, all about the concept of Simple Vans, but quickly, we make building your camper van simple and easy. We send you a flat pack kit in the post, a couple of boxes that you put together, and it can take a weekend. All right, let's get into it. This is the Roma. This is a full camper van setup that comes with a tow unit at the back, the C3, the side unit, the A2, which has a pop-out table, and of course, our well-known sliding bed to make all the use of this small space of a van. The Roma is excellent for those of you who like to cook at the back of your van. What I love here is that the fridge is at eye level, so it's really easy to access everything here. This is the Carbest fridge that you can get with us as well. You can also put in your cool boxes here. The space is made for these. We have a little storage at the top, and there is also a little lip in here to use the top storage for magazines and books and things. At the bottom here, either it's a big storage for whatever you would like, or this is the perfect place for your porta potty. This is actually really important if you want to free camp everywhere. You need to have somewhere to go to the toilet, and the C3 is the unit that has the toilet in. Okay, so moving on to the side unit. This gives you a lot of storage for your clothes, other things you're going to take on your road trip. You have 3 doors to get access to everything, 2 here, 1 just around the side here. So this one at the bottom is also made so that you can get 16-litre water tanks in the back and a sink here. These water kits are available on our website as well to make everything easy for you. You can, if you want, you can put the water kit at the front as well. I'll show you that in a moment. The important thing with this top storage is we've made this so you have access to it when the bed is pulled out. I think that's a really important feature in van design and often overlooked, is how you can access everything in all modes and uses of the van. Favorite feature of this though is this pop-up table. This is something we get feedback all the time from our clients. They love it. You don't have a table leg you have to place. You don't have a tabletop you have to find somewhere in the van and put it on top. It just pops out of nowhere, and it's just as easy to put away. So coming around to this end of the van, we have the access here. This has a shelf which you can put in to adjust the height depending on what you want to do. And you can, as I said before, you can put your water tanks in here and your kitchen sink at the front of the van. One feature of the A2 is it's a little bit smaller in terms of storage, but that gives you a lot larger access point here in the door. This is brilliant for those of you who like to use your car or your van as an everyday car as well and just throw shopping in, rucksacks in, or maybe you're a bit of a messy packer like me and you just want to throw it in and get going. The A2 is brilliant for that. One of the obvious differences about the Roma to the rest of our kits is that we have the bed in the middle of the van here. The way we've done this is we've taken the small part of the sliding bed and moved it from the back of the van to the front. This does have slightly different repercussions when building your bed, and that's all explained in the instructions to make it easy for you. But you still have all the access to all the storage underneath, and it is just as simple to pull out. And this one, you don't even need to leave the van to do it. This is ideal on those cold nights where you don't want to let the warm air of your van out, or if it's raining. So the bed is that simple to put out. This bed is 180 long and 120 wide in a Renault Traffic and a T5. If you have a Peugeot Expert or Citroen Jumpy, this type of van, they're a little bit slimmer, and so the bed only pulls out to 112 centimeters. But that is still a big, generous bed, so don't get caught up. The VW California has a 112 bed as well. If you want a little bit of a longer bed, the extensions are included with all the beds this year. So if you have a version, a long version of your van, the long wheelbase, you can put the extension on and have a 187 long bed. So the bed goes away just as easily as it comes out. And there we have it. So quick recap, this is the Roma. This is perfect for those of you who love to live at the back of your van, to cook at the back of your van. This is a kit that we ship to you in flat pack form. The whole thing weighs only 60 kilograms and can easily be built up in a weekend with our simple to follow instructions. You need to add the varnish or the paint so you can choose the look and the feel of your van. We have the mattresses, we have all of the other things you would need for the van to get it going. So we are a one-stop shop to make building your van very easy. And this one is made to fit a VW T5 or T6, cut directly for a Renault Traffic and the variants of that, and this year for the Peugeot Expert, the Citroen Jumpy, and all those types of vans. If you have a Ford Custom and other types of medium-sized vans, they can also be adapted to fit as well. We have done our utmost to make all our kits fit the maximum amount of vans. So thanks for watching. If you would like to see another one of our kits, you can click here. If you would like to know about all of the different kits and see more about Simple Vans, head over to our website, simplevans.eu. Thank you.